So my name is actually Sudhanshu. Pawan could not make it, and that's Pathak. So yeah. So as Stan said, all of us are a bit power-pointed. So I'm not even going to talk. I'll just play a video first for 3 minutes, and I'll just go through what I have for a minute or so. Audio?
Now recharge your prepaid mobile with Paytm.com or get the Paytm. When your heart skips a beat each time she calls. That midnight call where goodbyes are longer than the conversation. And that international call to your buddy to share it. Never run out of balance on your mobile. Now recharge your prepaid mobile with Paytm.com or get the Paytm app for your smartphone. Paytm is here.
It has been a journey of a few years. In a path strewn with many milestones, Paytm has always had just one focus, its customer. This is how Paytm gets to be India's preferred and most trusted destination for prepaid recharges and bill payments for mobile, DTH, 3G data, utility services and bus ticket booking. And the numbers agree. How Paytm cracked it was by addressing the customer pain points. In the earlier recharge scenario, customers not only craved for reliability, convenience, speed, security, but were also getting hassled by transaction failures resulting in money being blocked for some time. Then they were not aware about operators' recharge plans and hence they depended on the advice and means of the corner recharge shop.
Paytm is here.
Paytm worked on ease of payment for the customer and devised a Paytm Cash. This is accessible through web, mobile internet, smartphone app, and even over a phone call and SMS. Now people can transact easily and quickly, plus benefit from instantly reusing their own money from a previous failed transaction. Customers also can see the operator recharge plans right on their homepage. Next, Paytm brought something to add value to the customer, the deals. The value of these were not bound by the value of recharge. Customers could, for instance, recharge for 10 rupees but get brand deals worth 10,000 rupees. It has since been adding more and more to its online shopping deals, discounts on real winning and dining experiences, and more. What's more, Paytm has now added bus tickets to its offerings. Customers can book for over 12,000 bus routes online or through the Paytm smartphone app. Paytm has also gone ahead and solved the problem ailing the world of online payments with its Paytm Payments offering to the merchants. This has empowered their customers with a trusted and secure online payment. All this and more comes with Paytm's simple user interface and awesome experience. They can achieve a recharge in a few seconds flat. Paytm's seal of trust comes from its proven secure handling of customers' data and transactions. Also, its 24/7 customer care has made sure that grievances, if any, get resolved in record time. This consistency is something Paytm always stresses upon. Customer speaks to Paytm through its various social media pages too. This is how Paytm understands what customer wants. In effect, it is a service architected by the customers for themselves. Every single day, Paytm meticulously looks into what it can do and do better for its customers. Little wonder then that 6 million customers know, trust, and use Paytm in their daily lives.
Things that were not covered in the video. So Paytm is, while we start the presentation, Paytm is a part of 197 Communications. What makes Paytm the destination for mobile recharges in the country is the fact that we have created an ecosystem of applications for any and every kind of user. So you have any kind of phone, you can actually log on to Paytm and recharge your phone. be it a Java app to simple, even if it's not a smartphone, you can simply recharge over SMS or an IVR as well. Do we have the presentation? Doesn't matter. So, in a nutshell, we have in terms of transactions, we have more than 1.5 lakh people transacting every day. That is, in terms of e-commerce or m-commerce, that's the highest in the country, probably outside of IRCTC. And that's primarily because of the ecosystem that we've created and the success rate. So what really works well is the payment gateway that is very well entrenched with the mobile apps with a success rate of over 95%. We can skip this. So just to show you how popular it's become, that is the graph in 2 years. From 2011 to 2013 is how it's grown to now about close to 1.75 lakh transactions a day. Yeah. Just a comparison with a lot of other brands that are there in the space. The blue line creeping up slowly is Paytm. Yeah. Right, daily transaction volume, we can skip this. Yeah, so just quick numbers for all of you. 1 million. So the Paytm app, we have over 1 million downloads on Android, total 2 million downloads and above, including iOS, Windows, and everything else. Total registered users on Paytm is 6 million, and total number of online shoppers in India estimated to be about 10.2 million. Yeah. Quick statistics about the apps. Google Play and App Store, we are ranked as the #1 commerce app on both the stores with high ratings of 4.6 and perfect 5. Good, so what makes the app great? Just quickly, some screenshots for you. It's very simple, very easy to use, very intuitive. You've got all kinds of payment options on your mobile. So that's what it is. Right? We're done.